In this video, we will discuss the picture quality enhancements made possible by OLED, the benefits to the customer, some questions you can ask to potential customers, and how to invite customers to experience the all-new OLED TV. Samsung uses an RGB OLED panel, which means that each of the 2 million pixels on the screen has a tiny red, green, and blue subpixel. Each of these subpixels can create its own light, which is the secret to OLED's stunning picture quality, and until now, every LCD-based TV has had to rely on a backlight to shine through the red, green, and blue filters to create the picture you see. With OLED, you see the light directly, without having to shine through several layers of filters. The RGB subpixels create a pure light that, when combined precisely with each other, creates the most lifelike color today. Another important contributor to the overall picture quality is contrast. You'll see black as you've never seen it before, while white is brighter than any other technology currently available. This is the biggest contributor to the amazing picture quality you see on this TV. There are many more advantages to OLED, but the last advantage we'll talk about today is speed. Each subpixel can turn on and off several times faster than anything else available today. That means you will see the smoothest motion available on a TV. It also means you can take advantage of the all-new feature called multi-view. Imagine you and a friend want to watch 2 different programs on the TV at the same time. With multi-view, you can do just that. Using special 3D glasses that have earbuds built in, you can watch one show while your friend watches a different show, both viewers with their own audio. You may have noticed that our OLED TV is curved. Many potential customers will be curious and ask why it is curved. First and foremost, it provides the most immersive and cinematic viewing experience. Secondly, the gentle curve makes the TV appear larger than what it really is. Finally, the curve along with the frame gives it a clean, premium look that helps it stand out in a crowd. Due to the unique advantages of OLED with multi-view, it is important to ask qualifying questions that lead you back to picture quality and the multi-view feature. You watch a lot of movies and sports. This speaks directly to the fast response time of OLED. Would you like to watch one thing while someone watches something completely different at the same time? This question speaks directly to the multi-view feature and gives you a gateway to conduct a demo. I recommend using the following phrases and demos to get the customer interested in OLED. If you have a minute, let me show you the best picture available today. Show the customer the unique curved design, excellent picture quality, and multi-view feature. As you can see, OLED TV is one of the best new technologies to emerge in the past several years, and is sure to spark a lot of interest. Using the advantages we talked about today, along with the qualifying questions, you too can have great success in introducing your customers to and selling this exciting new TV. We're going to show you how to set up the multi-view feature. But before we do so, it is very important to understand how the feature should be set up in store. You need to make sure that the TV is centered to the eye level of the consumer. Also, it is recommended that the customer stands directly in the middle of the TV for the best possible performance. After that, go ahead and select Menu. When you select Menu, in the picture settings, select Samsung Multi-View Feature. After selecting the Samsung Multi-View Feature, it'll then ask you if you'd like to select Multi-View Screen or 2-player gaming. In this case, we're not going to play a video game, I just want to watch 2 different sources. So I select multi-screen view. When there, you select the input that you would like to play. In this case, it's going to be HDMI 1. After selecting that, it's going to ask you what your secondary source is going to be. We're going to select HDMI 2. Now you have to grab one of your pairs of 3D glasses. With your 3D glasses, make sure that it's turned on by hitting the power button. Now all you have to do is invite a friend. Hey Scott. To switch between the 2 sources, all you have to do is hit the A/B selector at the top.